आणि काही दिसा पयलीं आनी एक रिपोर्ट येयलो की जे स्टेशन हावस जे ऑफिसर्स आसतात तेंच्यांनी ड्रायव्ह केल्लो अशाच दिसा खातीर म्हणजे इंटरनॅशनल डे अगेन्स्ट ड्रग अब्युजा खातीर. सो तुमचो ह्या वर्साचो प्लॅन कसो कितें आहा इंटरनॅशनल डे अगेन्स्ट ड्रग अब्युजा खातीर?
सी इंटरनॅशनल डे अगेन्स्ट ड्रग एब्यूज एंड इलिसीट ट्रॅफिकींग हो जवळ जवळ जगभर मनयता आनीक तसोच तो गोंयाकय बी मनयता आनीक देर आर एजन्सीज लायक NCB नॅशनल ड्रग कंट्रोल ब्युरो दे मॉनिटर ऑल दीस एक्टिविटीज आनीक ताजी नोडल एजन्सी आसा Anti-Narcotics Cell. So we are in touch with our units like North District, South District, and Crime Branch, Konkan Railways, and on this day, on the 26th June, invariably आमी कितें तरी activities करता to create an awareness against drugs. So last more than 20 years आमी हो जेन्ना प्रोग्राम करताले आमी एक तर सायकल रॅली करताले नाल्यार मॅराथॉन दवरताले आनीक इन ओपन आमी प्रोग्राम्स करताले बट इन व्यू ऑफ कोरोना लास्ट इयर एंड दीस इयर ऑल्सो वी कुडंट हॅव दोज प्रोग्राम्स. पूण आमी दीस इयर सुद्दां वी हॅव ड्रॉईंग कॉम्पिटिशन फॉर स्कूल चिल्ड्रन्स, देन स्लोगन रायटिंग्स, देन ड्रग अवेरनेस कॅम्पेन्स, ताजे बद्दल तांची एक्टिविटीज online we are holding these activities this year. Besides that, we are distributing pamphlets to schools, we are displaying banners and flexes at marketplaces or tourist destinations. So and second activity was most important was that awareness among students. We used to visit schools and colleges and talk to students, discuss them about their knowledge about drugs and take them in confidence, talk to them, explain them in detail the bad things about drugs and how to read a person who is consuming drugs and what to do if they see any person who may be in drug activities. And these were the activities means when they were young, in adolescence period we wanted to guide them in the right directions. So these were our major activities for stopping these drug activities.